Hello everyone, welcome back. Next exercise in basic algorithm scripting, slice and splice. We have a task. You are given two arrays and an index. Two arrays and index. Copy each element of the first array into second array. So each element of this array should be inside this array. Begin inserting elements at index n of the second array. Means whatever the position we have to start inserting from there, return the resulting array, and we have to return the resulting array. The input arrays should remain the same after function runs, so there should be no changes whatsoever in here. First, let new array equal to arr2 dot slice to create new array. Console.log, you can see new array here is the same as arr2 elements. Now we will use loop for let I equal to 0, I less than arr1 dot length I plus plus, and we will be returning new array once it's done. Inside for loop, we will use new arr dot splice to insert element at nth position, and we are not removing any number of elements, and we will be adding arr1 I and n plus plus, so that the order remains same in the array. Looks good. Let me show you the answer with console log, and we will get result like this. Let's run all the tests. Run the tests, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.